Welcome to Bits of Blender.
Recently, I was looking at possibly getting a new mouse and looking at the options, and I looked at hundreds, and they all had mouse wheels in the center until I saw this one. It was definitely not on the first 10 or so screens of Amazon search. So I ordered it, and it took like 2 weeks to get here. This is a real 3-button mouse. I first went from using a 1-button mouse to a 3-button mouse when I started work at Sun Microsystems 25 years ago. I always liked their 3-button mice, and they were just like this, except kind of off-white. By the time I started working with Blender a few years later, I was no longer at Sun and didn't have a 3-button mouse other than the Windows type that have a mouse wheel for the center button, and I never liked clicking a mouse wheel. And here's the actual thing. The product on the box says it's made in China, but when I ordered it from Amazon, it said it was coming from Japan. So I'm thinking these are mostly Japanese characters. So I wonder what they're trying to tell me. So here we are in Blender. Using my middle mouse button, I could do middle mouse button things. So the first thing, a middle mouse button to change my view. And I can middle mouse with the control key or middle mouse with the shift key. It seemed like a great purchase for 20 bucks. See you again next time.